What's up guys, it's Elijah Cerojano from ECE 42 of De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. I'm going to present my final output under the subject of Internet of Things or IoT. And in this activity, I will discuss it. This is what our prof uh, gave us for this final output. Create an application related to home automation using Node-RED programming. The criteria is use Raspberry Pi as the hardware. Load must be at least 2 appliances. Appliances can be represented by LED or mock-up. Yeah. Appliances can be controlled on and off using smartphone with a graphical user interface or GUI. So it must be represented in the system. So let's now discuss first how I came up with this activity. So first I downloaded the OS of this Raspberry Pi to my desktop and use this Raspberry Pi imager to transfer the OS to the micro SD card of the Raspberry Pi. So as you can see now, it's already I used the PuTTY method instead of using HDMI to a monitor. I use instead a PuTTY version for this activity. So as you can see, Node-RED is basically working here. So installed Node-RED, but I used wireless here. So I did the activity by using only its server. So I'm now creating this activity here with the server of 169. It's the same. So back to the activity. So this is my representation. As you can see, I created 4 groups, which is home, living room, bedroom, and garage. So all of these are only an LED representation. So this is my GUI representation, welcome button and goodbye button that outputs an audio saying welcome and goodbye. And at the same time, for the living room, I created this light 1, which is the LED one, and light 2. It is indicated in pin 13 and pin 15 on the Raspberry Pi. So as bedroom, pin of 33, but use PWM instead, and I connected it with light and with a gauge here that controls the brightness of the light. So with the garage, also made an LED representation of it, PWM on pin 29, and used the gauge. Sorry for the pronunciation. I used to call it as a gauge before. Gauge for its brightness. So that is it for my representation in my Node-RED programming. I also inputted a remote access, so it can be controlled to the phone. So as you can see, we open this one, config Node-RED UI, and I just scanned an QR code here to be accessed through phone. So I will also present down below, or show you down below, how I control the the um, the home automation by using the phone. So I'll screen record it and put the video somewhere here in the in the video. So let's now go to my representation again. So this is the UI where I can switch the brightness, adjust the brightness, switch on and off the button. So let's now test for the GUI. As you can see, when the person arrive, there will be a GUI or a voice that will be heard when the person is home. Welcome home. And when the person's going to leave, there will be going a goodbye voice or good the goodbye notification that also says goodbye and be safe. So as you can see, I inputted here a line by using the payload goodbye and be safe. Welcome home. We can also use a welcome home. Hope you had a nice day. Let's try that. You had. Hope you had a nice day. Let's try that. So let's deploy that. So let's try here. You can hear it.
Welcome home. Hope you had a nice day.
As you can see, it's heard there. So for the lighting, I hope you can see to my secondary camera here, as to my main camera here. I don't have any camera for myself. For the light of, let's turn off the light, all of it. As you can see, oh, there's no light at all in the door lock, as you can see. So, let's separate this two, as you can see. So for the door lock, is pin 11 located here. If you can see my hand right here, located here, it will light up if I switch it to on. So it's on. As you can see, it's on. The LED is just a little bit low powered there, but let me turn off the lights. So you can see there it is. You can see it is on. Switch it off. Switch it on. Door lock. That is the representation of door lock. It's just an LED light since I don't have a door lock. So next is for the living room. Let's turn on the light 1, which is indicated in the pin 13. So as you can see, it's already on. Turn it off. Turn it on. So for the light 2, as you can see here, let me turn it on 2. It's on. It's off. So for the brightness for the bedroom, instead of putting it a switch, instead I created, if this will be in a physical room, inside the room, and it will be like a knob that controls the lighting of the light. The on and off will be based on a knob. So if you increase the light of or the brightness of the light in the bedroom, it will turn on. The difference here is that the switches can only switch on and off by the same power or the same brightness, unlike this knob or this representation here that has gauge. You can adjust the brightness of the light. As you can see, this is the maximum brightness, that's the lowest. And for the garage here, that is indicated in the 29th pin, same brightness. There you go. Same with the bedroom. So that is it. That's my simple representation. Now let's try it on my phone. So I'm going to screen record my phone, and so let me screen record this. So let's try it using my phone. So mic check. There it is. So now I'm going to press the goodbye button. I hope I'm not on a silent mode. Let me turn that on too. So let's try on the welcome button.
Welcome home. Hope you had a nice day.
There you go.
Welcome home. Hope you
I
had
press
a
it
nice
twice,
day.
sorry. So for the goodbye button,
Goodbye. Be safe.
bye, be safe. For the light 1 and 2, let's try it. Switch them on. As you can see, hope you see that. Switch them off. There you go. For the brightness of the bedroom and the garage, so let's try it. Maximum half for the bedroom and 0 for bedroom. Next is for the garage, maximum half then 0 for garage. That is it for my vlog for today, for my final output of this home automation using Node-RED, Raspberry Pi, and a mobile phone. So thank you for watching.